Hello guys, welcome to my channel and here are some of my pictures wearing the top. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's a quick before of the t-shirt. As you can see, the t-shirt is in a pretty good condition. So the first step is to remove this logo on the shoulder. After removing the logo, in order to make it a cropped t-shirt, we will do markings. As you can see, I have taken 10 inches measurement from the bottom. You can take measurements as per your preferences, mark it and then cut it. After cutting, remove the excess fabric and fold the ends in order to make a bottom stitch, and do not stretch the fabric while stitching. This is how our top is looking. Honestly speaking, I'm not happy with the way it's looking, so we'll do something extra to it. Zooming it a little and take scale and pencil, we will make square boxes of 2 into 2 centimeter measurement. Do it as shown in the video. I hope that the markings are visible. I know they are faint, but I can't use a pen here. So now we need a fabric paint, tape and a brush. Take a paper, fold it and put it inside the sleeves so that the other side is safe. After that, take a tape and struggle with it a little bit because you can't find the opening of the tape that easily, and then tape the boundary lines of the square so that the lines are straight. At this point my heart was beating so fast because this is the first time I'm painting the fabric, and now we will paint our fabric. Be slow with this process. Tape the boundaries and paint. Repeat the same procedure for both the sleeves. Me being impatient to see if it is working or not, and then I told myself to let it dry completely. Me being impatient part 2, and this time I can't control myself. So let's see how our squares are made. I feel like these are looking good and the boundary lines are also straight. So I completed the sleeve and then repeated the same process to the other sleeve. Overall, I like the sleeve. Now moving on to the cool jack name. Here I wanted to add fruit sticker, but I couldn't get one, so I bought this one sticker. This is ironable, but I'm stitching it. After everything is done, this is how our top is looking. I'm so happy with this top and I can definitely see myself wearing this top in future. Now moving on to another top. These strips belong to my brother's jacket and he didn't like these strips, so he removed it. We also need some elastic, and if you noticed, every t-shirt has a loop in the bottom, so we will insert this elastic inside this loop. Before that, we need to take measurements of upper chest. Take that measurement on the elastic, cut it accordingly, and then make a small hole on that loop. Then insert the elastic inside. Pin the ends together and stitch them. After stitching, put it inside, and now we will make a top stitch joining the elastic with the fabric so that the elastic will get secured. Stretch the fabric, pin it, and don't forget to stretch the fabric while stitching. After that, fold the bottom, pin it, and make a bottom stitch. Do not stretch the fabric while stitching. Our bottom stitch is done, and remove the excess fabric. Now we will join these strips, so take the measurement as per your preferences and pin them. Do not stretch the elastic while stitching. This is how our second top is looking. I like this top very much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.